So this is the one with all of the equipment short of the turbo. 19-inch wheels, all of the interior amenities, including the power rear liftgate and Bose premium sound. You should really consider the Premium Plus. What's up, everybody? I'm Jonathan Sewell Sales in Mitchell Mazda on the Boulevard in Enterprise, Alabama. And behind me is a very beautiful CX-5, the Soul Red Crystal, my favorite color. And this is the Premium Plus. So we're gonna go inside, we're gonna go outside, we're gonna go all the way around so that you see exactly what it includes and why the CX-5 is so fantastic. So let's jump in. More car vids. More car vids. This is the first Soul Red CX-5 I've had in a while, so I'm a little bit excited. Of course, this refresh design that came out in 22, we have more bumper with this panels down here, so that means more paint, more Soul Red. And of course, it really pops with this signature wing right here. The new grille, which is rugged, thicker, really abstract with those lines, just adds to the attraction here. Also the new headlights, and this being a Premium Plus does have the double halos, if that's what you want to call them, kind of the J's or the L's there. Of course, we have the premium and higher, Premium and Premium Plus 19-inch wheels, which are a two-tone, kind of reminiscent to those 19-inch pizza style wheels from years past. And Kodo design at its finest. The 2017 and now 2023 CX-5 has this design, and you can see some of the other chrome accents around the window there. Really matches well with the tires, or excuse me, the wheels. And of course, as we go around here, you have mirror caps that are color keyed. These are also power folding. I think I've got the key in my pocket maybe. Let's check it out here. Power folding side mirrors, and you saw that little LED, and I do have a key inside, I guess. But as we continue around this driver's side here, you've got that LED, you've got blind spot monitor right there, and rear cross traffic, advanced keyless entry to open the door real easy, and we'll take a look inside in just a minute. As you go around, you do have the shark fin antenna, as these automatic lights have lit up. Also have the same style in the back, which looks really nice. And power rear liftgate, which was the only way in a non-turbo to get a power rear liftgate for a while, but now they're coming back out. This one's always had it. So you have the power rear liftgate. This one also has several accessories, such as the rear bumper protector there. You see this cargo cover that you can attach up here, and it keeps everything hidden and covered as you need it. And also this nice little cargo storage right here up top. So you have this little tray, which is a neat addition. Of course, this does negatively impact your total cargo availability, but you can remove these items very quickly. And then a all-weather cargo mat here. So a lot of extra accessories they've included from the port. As you look down below, you do have the Bose subwoofer, also some more accessories there, and your full height spare. And this one, as you can see, is mounted flush, so you could sit here, be comfortable for tailgating, or drop it down about an inch for more cargo and a little lip to protect things from rolling around. We also see the dual outlet or dual exhaust, power rear liftgate, as I mentioned, with a button there. The chrome emblems look good on this color, really tie in really well. And then as we continue around, we're not going to jump under the hood here and look at the engine, but do remember that this is the non-turbo, so it's the highest trim with the 2.5 liter, 187 horsepower. So you've got the power that's necessary, great ride, great fuel economy. So let's jump inside. As we open it up here, you have a wide opening, wide door position there. Little faux wood accents on this Premium and Premium Plus. Also the Bose, as we talked about. So you do have more speakers and a premium sound. You can also control these mirrors by turning that all the way down. And then of course left or right to adjust them. Power windows, power locks. Black leather, as we're seeing more and more of that, it seems, with memory seating, power seat, power lumbar. Also have power seat over there. and I love the smooth feel of the leather wrapped steering wheel. And I always got to mention that this is hand stitched, so hard for a machine to do this, so they actually do it with some of the Takumi artisan that work on the assembly line. Over here you have the power rear liftgate hatch and your lane departure button here as we slide on in. The Premium and Premium Plus have this big LCD display, so everything's right up here in the center, including your safety notifications and other information, as well as the active driving display that would show in the windshield here. And you also have controls on the steering wheel for volume, seeking, phone, and your Mazda radar cruise control right there. 10.25-inch screen. Also the amenities we like: the heated seats, the ventilated seats, the heated steering wheel, and then of course your HVAC controls, including dual exhaust, which is nice. Also have a little bit of a charger here for a DC, 2 USBs inside here that would control, and 1 DC that would control your CarPlay or Android Auto up in the infotainment. And then you have an MI drive, so you can toggle back and forth between off-road, normal, or sport, depending on what type of terrain you're on and what type of performance you want. Also this beautiful auto dimming, hello there, auto dimming rear view mirror, moonroof up top, and similar seating in the back for 3. And I think that wraps it up here. Let's jump back there. In the back seat, a couple other amenities. You have AC vents, and also back here you have outboard rear seats, USBs with this little console here. So if you're sitting 2 people, you can control those or set it up and have your third person. Also have 3-point harnesses with your latch systems, and this is a 2-tiered system, so you can have a little bit more incline or reclining on those seats. You can see the difference there, about 5 to 10 degrees for a little bit more comfort. And then of course, this to show you, this is what it looks like with that cargo tray and the cargo cover back there. So everything's hidden out of sight, and you also have this little tray that is more convenient, so things don't roll around as much. And that's the Premium Plus CX-5 Soul Red Crystal with black leather. I also sometimes forget because of where I'm located in the south, but you see this heating element all the way around. So it does have the windshield wiper de-icer if you need it up north. Of course, we're getting to summertime, so not so much ice and snow around. We'll take one more look at the beautiful Soul Red Crystal, and I guess I should have had this in the sun, but the shade seemed a little bit cooler and safe for the old skin. If you have any questions or comments on the CX-5, any trim, you can always drop them down below, or you can text me at 334-718-0504. I am Jonathan Sewell Sales at Mitchell Mazda on the Boulevard in Enterprise, Alabama, and I really can't wait to see you in one of these, a beautiful Mazda.